In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to perform basic bookkeeping functions and categorize transactions in Wave accounting. This process may seem daunting at first, but with a little guidance, you'll find it straightforward and effective in managing your finances. Let's dive in, shall we? First, you'll need to head over to the Wave accounting website. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL. Once you're there, look towards the top right of the screen and click on the Sign In button. This will take you to the login page where you can access your account. If you use Google as your sign-in method, click on Sign In with Google. You'll be prompted to select your Google account. Ensure you choose the one associated with your Wave account to proceed smoothly into the dashboard. Now that you're logged in, locate the option labeled Accounting in the menu. Click on it. This will lead you to a range of accounting tools available in Wave. What we're interested in is the Transactions section. Go ahead and click on Transaction. Here you'll find a list of all recorded transactions, but today we'll focus on adding a new one. In order to include a new transaction, look for the Add Transaction button. Clicking this will allow you to manually input transaction details. Initially, click on Add Deposit if you're recording an incoming transaction. This is the first step in detailing and recording your finances accurately. You'll then need to specify the date of the transaction. You should always choose the exact day the transaction occurred for accuracy in your financial records. It helps in reflecting the right time frame in your accounting. Next, add a brief yet descriptive note about the transaction. A good description can be incredibly helpful down the line when reviewing transactions, ensuring clarity and understanding of where your money is coming from or going to. Following this, you'll need to choose the appropriate account. Here, you pick the financial account where the transaction will be listed, such as a bank account or a cash account. Selecting the correct account ensures your books are organized properly. Then, select a category for the transaction. This categorization helps in sorting transactions and keeping track of your spending or revenue streams. It's vital to choose the category that most accurately describes the nature of your transaction. After selecting the category, input the transaction amount. Ensure that the amount is accurate for proper financial reporting. Remember, accuracy here is key to maintaining balanced books. Finally, click Save to record your transaction. Once saved, click into the category column to confirm that everything is listed correctly. If you need to make adjustments, you can choose to edit the category or any other details as necessary. Now that you have added and categorized a transaction, you're well on your way to mastering Wave Accounting's basic bookkeeping functions. Regularly updating and reviewing your transactions in Wave helps maintain up-to-date records, giving you a clear view of your financial standing. Thanks for watching, and enjoy streamlined bookkeeping with Wave Accounting.